Welcome. In front of me is an Infinix Smart 8, and today I will show you how you can hard reset this device through settings. So before I get started, I am going to quickly mention one thing. Typically I am going to record, or I would be recording, a video where I can also show you how you can reset the device in order to remove a screen lock. But for this device, for people that will need this, unfortunately there is no way to do that, as there is no recovery mode on this device whatsoever. So resetting your device through settings is the only way you can actually reset this phone. Anyway, to get started, we're going to open up settings, and from there we're going to scroll down to system, reset phone, erase all data, erase all data. Now if you have a screen lock, you will need to confirm it right over here. I have a pattern, and then select erase all data one last time, and this will now begin factory resetting your device. This process will take about a minute or two to finish up, and once it's completed we will be presented with Android setup screen. So I'll be back once that is visible for me. And as you can see, the process is now finished, and you can set up your device however you like. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.